Welcome back. Marcus Williams with Island Doctors joins us, and we have a lot to talk about today. But for those people at home that may not know about Island Doctors, you have many locations, so you can't say you don't have one close to you because you guys are in St. Augustine, Lake City, Jacksonville, the beaches.
We're all over Northeast Florida. Anywhere that you are on the First Coast, we have a location for you. Specifically on the First Coast, we have 13 locations, 3 in Duval County, 3 in St. Johns County, 3 in Flagler County, and also 4 in Putnam County.
Okay.
So, yep.
Okay, very good. Let's talk a little bit about Dancing Under the Stars, because that's kind of interesting, and that is something that is happening at the Prime Osborne.
Yes, dancing.
And it affects you.
It does, it does, it does. Dancing Under the Stars is an initiative that is put together by the City of Jacksonville in collaboration with Humana and Island Doctors. Okay. And what it is, it's pretty much a senior prom. And what we have decided to do over the past couple of months, the City of Jacksonville, or the First Coast, has probably heard about a lot of health initiatives that various companies, governments, and organizations are trying to put together. And we're really just trying to come together under one roof to obtain one mission, and that is to prevent heart disease.
Okay.
Mayor Lenny Curry has come out with his healthcare initiative back in April, and Island Doctors wants to cooperate with that mission in making Jacksonville one of the healthiest cities in the country. So,
and there's some room for us to grow in that area. I know.
Of course.
It was a new list came out and showed some of the healthier cities. Maybe Portland, Oregon, I think was high on the list. A lot of people ride their bicycles out there.
Exactly.
But so this is great. So what we're trying to do is you spread the word.
Spread the word and partner together. Where Island Doctors feels that we can fit into the mix with Duval County is to partner with our mature Americans and to preach the gospel of health and wellness with them, starting with the prevention of heart disease, the prevention and treatment of diabetes, and also hypertension and cholesterol management. Because
all those affect so many of us at some point in our life. And as you say, as we get older, it becomes more prevalent. We're seeing some of the stock photos that we have. I think I've interviewed him one time.
That's Dr. Hinman.
Yep, that's Dr. Hinman. And so I just think it's really neat that you guys have so many different locations. There's also, I think you could, anything else that's different that sets yours apart was I think you could get it in, come in the same day if need be.
Yes, we do have a policy at our Island Doctors locations. Under certain programs, we do have, if you're sick, you're seen policy. That means if you can call us before the end of the day, we will definitely see you. And even if you can't get in to see us during that day, we do have telephone numbers in which you will be able to talk to a provider and be triaged over the telephone. So, you know, who does that nowadays?
That's right.
You usually after...
Make an appointment or something.
Yeah, at 4:45, you know, everybody's turning on the answer machine and, you know, go to the hospital, not Island Doctors. We want to engage our patients in dialogue and get them into the doctor's office.
Sounds great. Any last minute thoughts?
Yes, I also wanted to let the community know that on the 12th of August, August 12th, Friday, at the Legend Center Sports Complex, the City of Jacksonville and also Island Doctors will be sponsoring an entertainment day for senior citizens. And during that event, we will also have a mobile food truck. Or a mobile food farmer's market, so to speak, that will be there. That will
with healthy stuff.
With healthy options, yes, yes, yes. Believe it or not, that zip code 32208-32209. There are a lot of food deserts out there, and again, we want to work with the City of Jacksonville, Mayor Lenny Curry, Mayor Curry, in his vision in making Jacksonville one of the healthiest cities in the United States, and so we figured that we can help with that by not only bringing out that food truck or mobile farmer's market, but also talking about our Triangle Diet, which has helped a tremendous amount of people be able to control their conditions through diet and exercise alone.
Definitely. It's kind of a combo thing, eating right and exercising, and it can make a whole lot of difference.
Yes.
Marcus, thank you so much for coming on and spreading the good word. And
Karen, thank you for having me.
You betcha. We'll see you next time.
Bless you.
Bless you. Coming up next, we're going to show you how to reduce the puffiness and fine lines and wrinkles in minutes, all with a topical cream known as Plexaderm. The Jacksonville Jaguars are getting ready for the season ahead. Starting July 29th through August 9th, you can watch the Big Cats at this year's training camp practices. If you'd like to register, just head to the address on your screen, jaguars.com.